Hey there. You know, Today I just so want to talk about something we often overlook. Quiet exists. Sometimes the best way to leave a situation, whether it's a toxic relationship, a draining friendship, or even a place where you have outgrown it, to do it quietly. In this video, we'll explore why quiet exists are powerful and how they can lead to your personal growth. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, a designer, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing all things beautiful with you. So, quiet exists. It's not about running away. They are about choosing peace over chaos. You don't need to explain yourself to everyone. You don't need to make a scene or seek validation for your decisions. Now, here's the truth. People who truly care for you will understand without you saying a word. And those who don't, well, they were never meant to stay in your life anyway. When you leave quietly, you take control. You protect your energy, your dignity, and your peace of mind. My personal experience. I remember walking away from a friendship that was no longer serving me. There were no harsh words, no dramatic goodbye, just a quiet decision to stop engaging. At first, it felt strange not to explain myself. But over time, I realized that explaining would have only drained me more. The peace I gained was worth everything. Tell me, have you ever quietly left a situation? Let me know in your comments. Your story might inspire someone else to find their peace too. So here are a few signs it's time to exit quietly. When your presence isn't valued. When staying feels heavier than leaving. When the situation starts draining your energy more than adding to your life. And here's how to do it. Stop engaging in unnecessary drama. Redirect your energy to things and people who uplift you. Remember, no explanation is needed. Your peace is reason enough. Quiet exists aren't a sign of weakness. They are a sign of strength and self-respect. Protect your peace and choose yourself. If this video resonated with you, hit like, subscribe, and yes, share it with someone who might need to hear this. Remember, it's okay to walk away. Till next time, I love you. I believe in you. See you soon. Keep smiling.